Alright, fellas, it's getting pretty late. We should probably head home. Yeah, I'm ready to go. I have everything I want. Hey, I noticed you have 3 Happy Meal toys. They're probably really heavy. I can carry one for you. No, Evan, I know what you're up to. You're gonna try and steal this gold block from me. I'm not gonna steal it. I'm just gonna put it in my pocket and maybe forget to give it back to you. Not gonna happen, Evan. I can carry these just fine. Oh, come on. I want more so I can complete my collection. What are you gonna do with a full collection of Minecraft toys anyway? I'll put them on a shelf for a couple minutes and then forget about them. Jeez. I'm gonna go back in McDonald's and get more Happy Meals. Alright, I got 2 more, and this one feels lucky. Please, anything but a skeleton. Are you kidding me? Another skeleton! I don't even want to open this one. It's probably gonna be another skeleton. Okay, if you're not gonna open it, then I will. I'd hate for this to go to waste. Whoa! A stone block with berries.